Come on everybody, clap your hands. Oh, you're looking good. I'm gonna sing my song. It won't take long. We're gonna do the twist and it goes like this. Come on, let's twist again, like we did last summer. Oh, let's twist again, like we did last year. Do you remember when things were really humming? Oh, let's twist again, twist the time is here. Go round and round and up and down we go again. Oh baby, make me know you love me so. And then twist again, like we did last summer. Oh, let's twist again, twist the time is here. Oh, hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com. Today we're making Let's Twist Again, this classic party song. I will show you how to play it 1/2 step down than original. If you want to play along with the original, you can just put a cap on the first fret and play with the chords that I'm about to show you. So let me show you the chords. After that, we'll take a look at the parts and then we'll do a play along. Stick to the end of the video and you'll know the song after that, okay? Let's go. We need the chord of D major. I'm grabbing it with one finger like this. Maybe for you to be easier with 3. Alright? After that we need the chord of B minor, which I'm grabbing like this. Now if this is too hard for you, you can just bar on the 2nd fret. Almost nobody will make the difference, so. Alright, after that we need the chord of G and the chord of A major. Alright, so let's start with the strumming pattern. What I'm doing is just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And this is what I'm repeating throughout the whole song, except on the places where I want to put a little bit more accenting, then I'm doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Nothing so complicated, and of course feel free to do your own strumming pattern as well. So the song starts with this a cappella thing that you can just mute the strings and do it like this. Come on everybody, clap your hands. Oh, you're looking good. I'm gonna sing my song. It won't take long. We're gonna do the twist and it goes like this. And then, come on, let's, and we go on the D chord. Let's twist again, like we D minor chord. Then to G chord, twist again. Then to A. Alright, so this is the first part of the verse and we have the second part of the verse which is almost the same. Do you remember when things were really humming? Oh, and now the difference is that G to A, a little bit faster, and B again. Alright, and after that we go to the chorus. We go round and up and down we go again. Oh baby, make me know you love me so. And then come on. And after the first chorus we are just doing the second part of the verse. Come on, let's twist again, like we did last summer. Oh, let's twist again, twist the time is here. And after that we go to the solo, which is kind of just the first part of the verse, and immediately after that we have the second part of the verse. What's that flying in the sky there? Is it a bird? No! Is it a plane? No! Is it a twister? Yeah! So if you have a kazoo in you, maybe it will sound good. I don't know, you can give it a try. So we keep on repeating this stuff, and after that, when the outro is coming, we're just repeating the last 2 bars of the second part of the verse, like this. Come on, let's twist again, like we did last summer. Let's twist again, twist the time is here. Come on, let's twist again, twist the time is here. And this is how you finish the song. Alright, that's all you need to know to do the song. Now let's do the play along. If it's too fast for you, slow it down. And then when you're ready with the slow tempo, put it back to the normal tempo. Alright, let's go. my ukulele tutorial for Let's Twist again. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you really soon. Goodbye.